Welcome to our channel Knowledgignita. I am your host Devasis Patro and I am here to introduce my dear friend C.H. Rajesh Kumar Nayak, who is serving as a production officer in a pharmaceutical industry to share his career opportunity and scopes related to pharmaceutical industry. Hi Rajesh, I hope you are in good health. There are few questions I am going to ask. Please clarify in most simple way.
Hi Devasis, I am good. Hope you are in also good health. Thanks for inviting me to your channel and I am ready for your queries.
What are the functions performed during production and talk about its sections?
Actually, production means manufacturing of final dosage form of different drugs from raw material, that is API, with or without excipients. There are three different sections in production involving two core areas such as granulation and compression, and another area is known as packing.
Rajesh, are there any differences in between practicals performed during B.Pharm and the working of an industry?
Yes, there are quite different as in every step we perform following particular procedures, and there is a small difference in between lab scale and large production scale.
How do you feel about your working environment?
My working environment is really cordial, including brotherhood among colleagues.
What is the salary of a pharmaceutical fresher in an industry?
As a fresher, you can expect a salary about 10,000 to 18,000 per month during probation.
Is there any limit to your growth?
Sky is the limit, as you can have an industry of your own being a plant head.
Do you feel pressurized in the field of production?
After getting acquainted with the industrial working procedure and equipment, it is as easy as piece of cake.
As per people say that freshers experience a lot of struggle and work pressure of 12 to 14 hours a day. Is it true?
Yes, the struggle is true. As to adjust in a new surrounding away from my home, but in my case, working hours were nearly about 8 to 9 hours.
How many leaves do you get in a year?
Approximately, they allow 30 to 40 leaves in a year, including personal leave and sick leave.
Are there any professional risks in your field of work?
Yes, of course, we work around chemicals and equipment, that's why with proper hygiene and personal protective equipment, we can minimize the risk involved in an industry, and there is a proper risk assessment mode and analysis followed by the industry.
Rajesh, do you think it is a good career choice for B.Pharm graduate?
Yes, of course it is. In industrial pharmacy, we manufacture the drugs following all the norms given by the guidelines of different countries.
Thank you, Rajesh, for your heartwarming answers and really clarifying and eye opening views on the pharmaceutical industry and its scope. Thank you.
Thank you, Devasis. Thank you, Rajesh, for this wonderful interview session. And friends, if you have any doubts, if you have any queries, please ask that in the comment section and Mr. Rajesh will try to answer them.
Finally, if you like this video, go to the like button and click it. If you want to share, you can. And if you are not subscribing our channel yet, what are you doing, man? Go to the subscribe button and click it, क्योंकि subscriber तो मांगता है ना यार.